the party started!
Everybody get your hands up high. Everybody get your hands up high. Everybody get your hands up high. Hands up, hands up, hands up high. Everybody get your hands up high.
Hey, hey, hey!
Everybody get your hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high.
Let's go! A big shout out to Sir Dennis! What's going on? Hey, 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 hey! Swing your heart now! Put your hands up in the air! Let's go! Jump, 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 hey, hey, jump, 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 jump. Let's go! Now you're out! jump. upset. She's going off about something that you said. Cause she doesn't get your humor like I do. I'm in the room, it's a typical Tuesday night. I'm listening to the kind of music she doesn't like. Cause you never know your story like I do. She wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts. She's cheer captain and I'm on the bleachers, dreaming about the day when you wake up and find that what you're looking for has been here the whole time. If you could see that I'm the one who understands you, been here all along, so why can't you see? You belong with me. Walking the streets with you in your worn-out jeans. I can't help thinking this is how it ought to be. Laughing on a park bench, thinking to myself, hey, isn't this easy? When you've got a smile that can light up the whole town. I haven't seen it in a while since you got me around. So it's not I know you gotta love song. This is a shout out to my ex. I'm here on some other chicks.
Say what?
Yeah, that hurt me, I'll admit. Forget that, but I'm over blue. I hope you're getting better.